Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about the Blithe Pressed Serum Chaga, a product that sits somewhere between a moisturizer and a serum, claiming to deliver intense nourishment using antioxidant-rich chaga mushroom. After using it consistently, we can say it's one of the more unique skincare textures we've tried. Starting with pros, the formula is incredibly rich in antioxidants, and we immediately notice smoother, bouncier skin after the first week. It creates a protective layer that seals in hydration without feeling too heavy, and the texture melts into the skin beautifully once warm between the fingers. It works especially well for those with dry, dehydrated, or stressed skin. But here are the cons. The texture might feel too thick for oily skin types, especially in humid climates. It also has a herbal scent that not everyone will love. We noticed that it doesn't layer well with certain sunscreens, causing slight peeling, and the jar packaging exposes the product to air each time, which isn't ideal for antioxidant stability. Overall, is it pressed serum or pressed type? For dry or mature skin, it's definitely worth the investment. For normal to oily skin, it may feel too rich, especially for daytime use. Still, the antioxidant boost is real and the results are noticeable when used consistently. This has been How to Live with Smart and Simple and Scam Free.